Welcome. In this video I will show you the first 10 things you absolutely should do on your Dell Chromebook 3400 after setup. Let's start with the basics and update our device. To do that, open the control center in the bottom right corner, click the gear icon right here to open settings, and then scroll down to About Chrome OS and check for available updates. Most probably after setting up your Chromebook, you will have some updates to download and install. Wait until the updates are installed and then restart your laptop to apply changes. After that, let's adjust the Google synchronization settings in Privacy and Security menu. Here in Privacy and Security, you'll be able to go to Synchronize and Google Services. And here you can adjust the data that you want to synchronize by going into Manage What You Sync, selecting Customize Sync, and selecting the data that you actually want to synchronize with your Google Drive. After that, also don't forget to set up the security in lock screen, PIN code. Just go to Privacy and Security, go to lock screen and sign in. And then enter your password if you didn't set up a PIN code yet, and replace it with a new PIN code by clicking Change PIN, and also adjust the lock screen settings in here. And then also don't forget to check for the other privacy and security settings in the same menu. Just go to Privacy Controls and select which apps can use your location, camera, microphone, etc. Adjust your device to your own needs and preferences. And after that, we can start installing the new applications on our device. So go to Google Play Store, find the applications that you don't need, for example, some additional web browsers, and easily install them on your laptop. And while they are installing, let's adjust our device's storage. To access your device's storage, you have to go to the Files, Application. Now, your sidebar will be divided into Your Files and Google Drive. So your files are the files stored locally on your PC, and the Google Drive is the online folder, and data in this folder are stored in your Google Drive. So basically, even if you perform a factory reset operation, your Google Drive will stay the same. So using this info, adjust the way that you want to store data on your device. Create some folders in your files, create some additional folders in your Google Drive. Divide the usage of the data on your device, and start using it more conveniently. Then you can also adjust your keyboard, your touchpad, and your device's settings. To do that, go to Control Center, open Settings, then open Device. And here you can adjust your touchpad, you can enable tap to click, you can use additional button to right click, you can enable or disable tap and drag feature, touchpad acceleration, and also adjust the touchpad speed to your own preference. You can also adjust some display settings by going to Display menu, where you can adjust the display and text size, the orientation of the display. You can schedule the nightlight in here. And also we have some audio settings, the mouse settings, keyboard and inputs, where you can add some additional languages that you want to use on your laptop. And then don't forget to connect your accessories, which you can easily do by going to Control Center, opening Bluetooth menu, and pairing new device with your laptop. And finally, learn some of the most useful shortcuts by opening the Shortcuts menu. All you have to do is press Shift, Search, and S buttons Control Shift and S buttons simultaneously, and this will open the Key Shortcuts menu, where all the shortcuts are divided into 6 different categories. And from here you can easily learn how to use your brand new Chromebook, you definitely need this, especially if it's your first Chromebook. And as the last thing that you should do is secure your Google account. Open your Google Chrome, go to your settings by tapping the three dot icon, selecting settings at the bottom, and here go to you and Google, select your account, and adjust the security settings for your device. You can change some security, you can enable enhanced protection, and also I think in the menu that we've seen before, so security and privacy, we can also adjust the two-step authentication into our account. Okay, so let's go to privacy and security. Okay, no, not in here, but in your Google account settings, you'll be able to adjust your access settings, like changing passwords, adding the additional email, and using two-factor authentication. And so, yeah, that's pretty much it. All the things that you should absolutely do on your DELL Chromebook 3400 after the setup. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.